Hey everyone, this is John from AAAFx, and in this video I'm going to show you how to customize the Metatrader 4 platform. So what do I mean by customizing it? Well, everything in Metatrader is movable, adjustable, just for your ease. You can really customize it and have it set out to how you like it. So a very easy way to customize things is just go to View, you can click on Terminal, you can see the different windows if you want the data window, and then obviously it all pops up to how you like it, but you can also move things about. So say the data window, you don't like it being here, just click it and drag it to where you want it to be, and now it's here. I can make it bigger, and then I can get rid of the navigator window, and now the data window's there, and so forth. And everything is movable and adjustable. Even the toolbars at the top, you can just adjust them, move them however you like. So one way to do that would be just to see on the left hand side here, it has kind of like a few dots. Click that and you can move it about, so we can move that that toolbar there. And at any point you can just right click it, you can click customize, and you can actually move and insert and remove things. So say you don't want the register signal, don't really need that, remove that, but you do want the full screen option, boom, click that there. You can just customize things how you like, and that works for every single one. So the time frame window, we can just customize it. We can get rid of a few different time frames that we don't ever use. So for example, I never used a weekly time frame, let's just remove that. Same with the monthly, great, saves a bit of room at the top there. Same with you know, the cursors and different drawing tools. We can, you know, add, remove things how you like, but obviously we can also move them. Say we want that one to be at the top there. I think you get the idea. Very, very easy just to move things about, customize it. Same with the terminal. If you really want the terminal to be on the side, or even as a separate window that you could put on the second screen, you can do that, put it back to where it was. Everything is customizable to how you like, pretty much. Okay, there are also many different shortcuts that will massively save you time. So some of the shortcuts you will see straight away. Here it shows you all the different shortcuts. So F11 is full screen, chats, Alt plus N, and it gives you all the shortcuts of different things. So say you just want to pull up the data window, all I've got to do is click Control D, bang, data window is up. If I want to go full screen, I just click F11. So there we go, I've got a full screen chart. F11 to minimize it again. So if you're unsure of what a shortcut is, you can also just look at it and memorize it, write it down somewhere, and within no time you'll be an expert within Metatrader 4. So say I want to switch to a bar chart, it's Alt 1, so all I've got to do is click Alt 1, we're in a bar chart. Alt 3, line chart. Alt 2, obviously a candlestick chart. Very, very simple. If at any point you want to find out more information, really in-depth stuff about Metatrader 4, you can always go to the Help tab, go to Help Topics, or you can just click F1, that's the shortcut for it. And up it pops, or you can just make that a bit bigger, and you will have all the different information about everything in Metatrader 4. So it really can be useful if you don't fully, if there's something that hasn't been covered or you can't find a very specific thing, you can see it all here within the Help user manual or user guide. So very, very useful. We're just going to exit that. But that is how you can customize the Metatrader 4 platform. Now this is very useful if you're trading with multiple screens. Obviously you can have different charts on different screens. I think we've covered that in a separate video. But you can also play around with all these toolbars, all the different windows, shortcuts. It is quite a bit of information to get in, but after using it for maybe a week, you will be an expert. It's very intuitive and very easy to use. So I hope this video has been useful for you, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care.